Hi, my name is Aiden Disney and I've been at KTJ for 7 or 8 years now. So close to almost half my life.
I've been in KTJ since I was in Form 3, so that would be around 4 years now.
About 6 years. Yeah, 6.5.
About a year and a half.
We have been here since Form 1, so now it's like the 7th year.
Yeah, it should be 7 years.
You see the matchings and patches, all the time. It might not be too obvious, but they're always there.
I've seen them almost every hour of the day, whether it be in the house, the matches will come clean, or in the dining hall, or usually like the guard matches around the school as well.
I mean, I see them every day. They're working in the day house and they're just walking around. So yeah, they're every day.
Quite often. I see them in front of the day house guarding us, and I see them in the dining hall quite often.
Basically just every single day, and except for being inside the classroom, and then we basically see them every day.
Yeah, so you see them all around the school, even in the boarding house, like you see them in the main fields and all the fields.
To me, they mean a lot. They do a lot of the work that kind of goes unseen or underappreciated in our school, but they are an integral part of our school community. I think it's definitely more than fair to say that without them, KTJ wouldn't be able to run like it does.
They play quite a crucial part in the school, not only as members of staff, but they do a lot for the school. They upkeep it and they serve us food, they check the school grounds, and they make sure that every student is in check, not only just physically, but they make sure everyone is abiding by the rules. And they do a lot of the behind the scenes work that I think a lot of people and many students and maybe some teachers don't really notice most of the time.
Obviously, they mean a lot because the reason we have such a clean day house is because of them. They come here every night, spend their day working just so we can have clean day houses and classrooms to learn and so a lot.
Yeah, there's definitely a few instances apart from the day-to-day acts of kindness and helpfulness. Specific cases, a few come to mind. The time I got given 3 pieces of chicken at the dining hall. Oh my god, I know, unheard of. But yeah, I was super hungry that day, and I asked nicely, and she gave it to me.
We have events called Dining Hall Hero, which can experience serve food to the student for in the time. And actually that time when I wear the gloves, and then after 30 minutes my hands were sweating inside the glove. So it's actually, you can tell how hard they're working every single day.
And yeah, when I go for a run in the morning, all the guards say hi to me, good morning. And last time when I dropped my AirPods while running, they helped me pick it up and give it to me. And yeah, I was very thankful.
I just finally wanted to, say I hope all students in KTJ take a more active role in, thanking and appreciating, the hard work that all our matchits and patchits put in every day.
I think that the patchits and the matchits in this school play a larger role than all of us really expect. Not only does it come from waking up at 5 a.m. in the morning and cooking for the whole school, but being able to do this every day continuously. And it's not only in the dining hall, around the school and in the houses. And I feel like a lot of the students and maybe even some staff tend to overlook how much they do.
I mean, thank you for all your hard work. The classrooms are really clean, and the reason they are is because of you. And I feel like you guys do a lot for KTJ, and KTJ is clean and nice just because of you guys.
I feel like the workers here are very important. Without them, the KTJ wouldn't be as well as it is now. I really appreciate their help, and I hope for them to keep it up.
Throughout these 7 years, I appreciate you guys a lot
And yeah, and I don't think people appreciate them as much as they're supposed to do. So I really hope people say hi and greet them more often.
And finally, I would like to give a big terima kasih to all our matches and matches. Thank you so much for all of that.
Thank you.
Terima kasih.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much for all that you do. We really appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Terima kasih, Kak.
Terima kasih.